What is exempt employee status, and how do you classify it? Imagine working a full week and not getting paid extra for overtime, or earning a set salary no matter how many hours you put in. That's what exempt employee status is all about. It's a way employers decide who gets overtime pay and who doesn't under federal law. If you're curious how this works, let's break it down. Exempt employee status means the worker isn't protected by the rules that requiring overtime pay or minimum wage. These employees don't get paid extra if they work more than 40 hours a week. Instead, they receive a fixed salary regardless of hours worked. This classification is important because it affects how workers are paid and how employers stay compliant with wage and hour laws. To classify someone as exempt, 3 main tests must be met. First is the salary basis test. This means the employee gets a set amount of pay each pay period. They must receive their full salary even if they work only part of the week, unless they take unpaid leave or are in certain other situations. The second is the salary level test. The employee must earn at least $684 per week, which adds up to $35,568 a year. Some states might set higher thresholds, so it's good to check local laws. The third is the job duties test. This is about what the employee actually does at work. The main categories include executive, administrative, professional, outside sales, and certain computer-related roles. For example, an executive must regularly manage a department, supervise at least 2 full-time workers, and have authority to hire or fire. An administrative worker should perform office tasks related to management and have the discretion to make decisions. Professionals usually need advanced knowledge in a specific field, often gained through long-term education. It's important to remember that job titles alone don't determine exempt status. The real focus is on what the employee actually does day to day. Employers should review job descriptions and pay practices regularly to stay compliant. Misclassifying employees can lead to legal trouble, including back pay and penalties. Some states have stricter rules and higher salary thresholds, so it's wise to stay updated on local laws. In summary, exempt employee status is a legal way to classify workers who do not qualify for overtime or minimum wage protections. Proper classification depends on meeting specific salary and duty requirements. Employers need to carefully evaluate each employee's role to avoid mistakes and stay within the law.